I wanted to just talk about stress management and how you think that that plays a role for patients with mast cell disease, mastocytosis and idiopathic mast cell activation syndrome, and just talk about what you know and what the research says.
If I took stress hormone and I purified stress hormone and I dropped it on anyone's mast cell in a petri dish, I will make it many times easier for that mast cell to release histamine and everything else, right? Essentially, you bring the threshold down. When you have stress hormones released in your body, you make it easier for a mast cell to degranulate. So we can talk about this being in your head or not being in your head. I'm talking about the hormone that's getting released because of whatever stress it was that you got. And actually, it's pretty clear that it's tends to be psychological stress more than physical. Psychological stress is what will release these types of stress hormones. And then these types of stress hormones and other things like neuropeptides that get released by nerves themselves in the skin and elsewhere, those will make it easier for the mast cell to degranulate. They will also mess with your body's ability to remain in homeostasis, your autonomic function, to keep you from getting palpitations, to keep you from getting a terrible bad belly because you're nervous about something. Mast cells are doing it, and so are other nerves that are starting this stress response.